You can now clone yourself so that your AI avatar can create content that makes passive income for you while you sleep. And the best part about it is that most people can't even tell that your AI avatar is actually AI. Don't believe me? Which of these two clips is AI generated and which one is real? Hi, I'm Mo's AI avatar and I make content while he sleeps. Hi, I'm Mo's AI avatar and I make content while he sleeps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can clone yourself with HeyGen and get the results you just saw. And I will tell you about the top 3 mistakes that most people make so that your AI avatar doesn't look superficial. Let's get right to it. We're going to use a platform called HeyGen. They have a free plan that allows you to sign up for free and do this whole AI avatar thing for free. So check out in the link in the description or check out the link above in order to get access to that. Once we're signed in, we're going to click on the avatar in the left side corner and we're going to click on Create Avatar. You can watch the video if you want to, but really you just click Get Started. And for this type of content that I'm creating with my YouTube channel, I'm going to select the still version here. If you want to create your own custom AI avatar that's recommended for marketing and ads, then the motion one is better. So I'm going to click on still. The instructions are super simple. You have to upload a 2 to 5 minute video. You need to make sure that this video is super high quality with good lighting, with a good camera, and with a good microphone. You need to make sure that the environment you're in is quiet and that the background is static and not moving. You need to look directly into the camera and you need to pause in between each sentence so that it recognizes that your mouth is closed. You can use generic gestures like folding your hands in front of you or tapping them on the table, but you're not supposed to move a lot. So the best ways you can create this footage is you either use your phone on a tripod and talk directly into the camera. The phone has a really good camera and a good microphone, and then you upload this footage. The second option is that you use your computer in something like photo booth. Like as you can see here, you can just record a video and then use that. But that is less recommended because the webcam is usually not as good as your phone. And then the third option is to use something like OBS Studio, like as you can see here, where you record yourself with your phone, but that is the most advanced option. If you do have like a really good photo and video setup, then of course use that footage. I've already created a video in the regular talking head style as I'm talking to you right now, and I'm gonna upload this right now. I drop it in here. You can preview if you'd like. As you can see here, it's using my regular lighting and my regular setup. And now I'm going to click that my face is visible at all time. You're looking directly into the camera. There are pauses between sentences, and then the environment is well lit and quiet. I'm clicking that keep ambient sounds in my recording. I'm selecting these as well. Now I'm clicking on my footage looks good. And now I just need to verify that this video is actually of me and I'm not trying to clone someone else. So I'm clicking on record via camera, turn on cam and mic. I need to give it access here. I have access to my video and I need to say something into the camera. I, Mo Luker, hereby allow HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar for use of HeyGen platform for safety purposes. This is the passcode, KKGW. Now the company is validating my consent form. And now that the consent has been validated, I'm gonna simply click submit. And it only took about a minute in order to create this AI avatar, and here the avatar is. Let's click on done and let's start using this avatar. I'm gonna click on add a new look to this avatar. I'm gonna call it Mo's AI avatar. By creating an avatar, I'm confirming that I'm over the age of 18, etc. Clicking continue, and I'm updated successfully. So now let's go back to HeyGen and click on avatars. Now we see our own AI avatar right here. Congratulations, you've now built your own AI avatar, but if you want to learn how to use this and make good scripts, just stick around for 1 minute because I'm gonna show you what I do and what kind of tools and the custom GPT that I use in order to make scripts really good and formatted for HeyGen. To use your avatar, you click on the avatar symbol in the left and now click the avatar that you just created. It's sitting right here and I'm gonna select on it. I'm gonna click on Create with AI Studio and it puts you into the studio. Here you can see this is the AI Studio. For a full video on how to use the AI Studio properly, check out this video above, but I'll show you the gist of it right now. To test it out, you can either click on script and say, welcome to the new era of video creation, and you can submit this and it uses your own AI avatar. You can use the regular script and you can preview the sound right here. Welcome to the new era of video creation with... You notice that the video is not moving, and that is because it needs to render your face and your avatar first. So we can just quickly render this to see how it looks before we create our whole script. Let's do that. I'm keeping the settings as is. And this is now submitting. It's in line for processing. In the meantime, I'm gonna create another project with my AI avatar and show you exactly how you can create a whole YouTube script in just a few seconds. I selected my own AI avatar. I click on the script icon right here. I'm gonna use the custom GPT that I built in order to streamline this whole process. You can find this resource for yourself. Just click on it in the link in the description. And this is how you use it. You just simply say, create a viral TikTok script about how AI avatars are changing the game of video production. This script should be 30 seconds long and have a strong hook. This is already programmed into it, but as you can see here now, it creates the script formatted in the style that HeyGen likes it. HeyGen likes it in short sentences so that it can process it easily. The hook is, forget expensive studio, long days, and hiring actors. AI avatars are changing the game for video production. That is already great. So I'm gonna take this now and line by line, I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna add that here. I'm gonna select add a new. I'm gonna ignore now that it wants a female just because I wanna showcase how my own AI avatar sounds. As you can see here in the bottom, I'm gonna drag over my AI avatar to the end of the whole clip and I'm gonna submit it. I'm gonna hit submit. In the meantime, our test video is done. Let's check this out. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. How good is this? It's even doing my facial movements. It is making me move a little bit. My voice sounds like me. And in order to improve on this AI avatar, you can give it more footage in order to learn more about how you look like. But I'm already super impressed. You can now click on download it as in 1080p and upload it to your video editing software or directly to YouTube. While our TikTok video is processing, let me share with you the resource that I put together, which is a guide on how to make money with an AI avatar. And you can find this in the description as well. In this, you will have all of these different strategies and guidelines on how to do them. And it breaks down how you can make money either with YouTube content creation, corporate training, virtual influencer marketing, and how you can also automate this process with code and no code tools in order for this content to be generated automatically without you having to be part of it. If you'd like to see me make a full breakdown of how to do this, let me know in the description and let's watch this final video that we made. Let's check it out. Forget expensive studios, long shoot days, and hiring actors. AI avatars are changing the game of video production. In minutes, you can create high-quality videos. This is amazing, but I already noticed 3 things that are a little bit off. Number 1, it's the eyes. They kind of stare directly at the camera too much. Number 2, the voice is not recorded perfectly. I think I should have done a better voice recording on my microphone. And then the third thing is my posture. I would have rather had a better posture in order to represent myself better with my AI avatar. But I can fix those by resubmitting footage and making up for those things after I notice them with my video. No cameras, no crew, no problem. AI avatars can speak any language, wear any outfit. And let me tell you about one thing that I really like about this character. No cameras, no crew, no problem. Do you see that I'm wrinkling here with my face? This is awesome. This is already showing my expressions and my emotions. AI avatars can speak any language, wear any outfit, and deliver perfect takes every time. And I wouldn't have figured that it is already this good at creating this content. If you stuck around until now, thank you so much for watching. Please drop a like if this was helpful, so it gives me feedback if I need to make more videos like this or not. And check out my channel if you like the other videos. Peace out.